Meet the UMW ground rail welding robot with 3,800 intelligent welding system designed for automated and flexible welding. The line scan camera captures the workpiece with laser scanning, creating point cloud data for 3D model reconstruction. With just one scan, the line scan camera enables initial positioning for the workpieces. The system automatically generates welding paths, and every scene can be edited when needed. Once the path is confirmed, the robot starts welding with stable motion and consistent performance. Smooth welds with reliable joint quality. From scanning to welding, intelligent automation makes welding easier,